Picture us rolling in a road, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing on my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey guys, so here is my room. It is a mess, I know. I'm just taking everything out of this drawer. I'm definitely gonna get rid of these frames. So I bought this at Ross about like 3-4 months ago, and I'm not sure if I want to keep it because the vibe that I'm going for is not gonna be near this color, so I might get rid of this. This is currently how my room looks. Hey guys, so we're painting this room. I literally didn't update you guys about like the color that I'm doing, and it's going to be white. Right now we just did the first layer, so everything is still kind of in construction. It doesn't appear white, but this is pure white, and this is from Home Depot, the Bear or whatever it's called paint. And this is how it looks. Y'all, I always find a way to be painting something, like, and I'm over it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks and everything. All right, so this is how it's looking so far. We have a long way to go. So it's officially 12:23 p.m. a.m. and we're pretty much done with everything. Karma came to help. Say hey, Karma.
What's up, y'all?
So we're just fixing up the little holes, making sure everything is perfect. But y'all, it was some work to do because the walls were already black. Not black, but dark. So imagine having to put like a white paint. You're gonna see like little holes of dark spots peeking through. So we have to let it dry for like 20-15 minutes and then go back in to do like another coat. But other than that, y'all, we're almost done. Yeah, I'm looking weird. Trust the process. Hey guys, so I just brought spankling. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just winging it, honestly. Oh, this look pink, but it turns white when it's dried. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kat. First and foremost, I would like to give a huge shout out to you guys. I want to just say happy Thanksgiving. I am filming on Thanksgiving Day, so I just wanted to say that I am so grateful for you guys and thank you for all the support that you have shown on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much for all the support and the love and just watching my videos, you know what I'm saying? So this video, as you can tell by the title, I am doing my second room tour. My very first room tour I filmed about 3 years ago, and I had a silver and gray type of vibe going on with my room, and I grew out of that and I wanted something more subtle, more neutral colors. And this video is definitely for the girls or boys who is, you know, still living with their parents or in college or sharing a room with someone, or you know, have roommates and don't really necessarily have their own home and stuff like that. So everything in this video is very affordable. So yeah, I would try my best to link everything down in the description box where I bought it, but most things I have bought it in stores, or most things that I had already had in my old room and I just kind of transferred it to this decor, this new decor. So most likely I may not have a lot of links because I don't remember, and I bought things in stores. But I will try my best to link everything down below. Okay, y'all? If this is something that you guys are interested in watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. So we're gonna start this room tour starting with my left side of my nightstand. And I bought this nightstand from IKEA. And I believe this drawer was about, I would say, $60 for one. So I think in total everything came up to like $130 plus, like, you know, shipping and everything. Honestly, I wanted a drawer that was way more taller than this and way more wider, but this was the only drawer that was available because y'all already know supply with literally everything is sold out or just in high demand. So I didn't get too lucky with the drawer that I really wanted to go for, but I had to settle with this. But again, you know, my whole goal was to make this whole room transformation so affordable and not really breaking my pockets. Okay, so now let's make our way towards our decor that is added on top of my nightstand. And we're going to start with the book. So the book, I have a Chanel book and a Louis Vuitton book. And I bought both of these books on Amazon. And I believe everything cost me a pretty high penny. I would say everything would have to be either $200 or maybe a little bit under $200. And I have my Skinny Dip candle from Forever Mood, and this candle is owned by Jackie Anna. She's literally my favorite. This is my favorite scent because you don't even have to burn this candle for it to do what it need to do. I'm telling y'all, like, if you guys are considering Jackie Anna's Forever Mood candles, I definitely recommend Skinny Dip because it just smells so beautiful and loud. This is my LED night lamp, and I bought this from Target. And I love this lamp. I believe they come in different colors, gray, black, and gold. And I wanted that hardware black aesthetics. And all you gotta do is just plug it in and then click it on and off like what I'm demonstrating right now. And then you can also move the head top. I think that's what you call head top. But you could also adjust it to wherever you want it to shine. And yeah. So now we're gonna make our way up into my mirror. And guys, this is probably one of my favorite pieces in this room. I know y'all don't be seeing stuff like this. Like, this mirror was just so perfect for me. I love the gold and the brown aesthetics of the hanger. And I just love the shape of the mirror. It wasn't too big, it wasn't too small, it was just right. Because y'all know I have a small room, so I didn't have to do too much with it. Guys, I bought this at Target, and all I gotta say is I'm gonna drop the link down below, and period. So now we're going to move into this side of the room. And guys, I have this beautiful, 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 beautiful big curtains. And this curtain literally transformed my entire room. Like, it just took my room from 10 to 100. I'm telling you. And I don't even know the name of this material, but it's really that girl. Like, I'm telling you, like, it's just the baby. And at first I wanted a black curtain rod, but everything was literally sold out. And I did not want to order things on Amazon because I just wanted to transfer my room in a day. Like, I didn't want to take too long to get pieces and everything. So I had to settle with the gold, but I am still pleased with the aesthetics. Like, it was given. And honestly, I had no hope when it comes to curtains because I thought curtains was so like old and it's for old ladies, it's for grandmas, but nah, y'all. Like, guys, when it comes to having curtains in your room, you can't just apply the curtains like near the window. You have to hang them up in the ceiling to give you guys this grand and huge look for your room. I'm not gonna say it's gonna make your room bigger, but it's gonna appear like your room is bigger, okay? And literally, this is like one of my favorite. I know I said the mirror, the circle mirror on my wall was my favorite, but I'm telling y'all, the curtains took my room into something that I never thought my room could turn into. Okay, so now we're gonna make our way into the bed. I bought this bed headboard from Scott's Living. I don't know the exact name of this specific headboard that I have and my entire bed set, But if you guys find it, then that's y'all, but I don't know. And again, I wouldn't be able to link anything pertaining to my sheets and the pillows and the covers, because I bought all these things from TJMAXX, and I wouldn't be able to, you know, find that, I don't think. So sorry about that. Much as white sheets is so cute, it just makes you feel so, you know, refreshed when you wake up. It's so airy in your room. Y'all, if you a girl that wear makeup, it's so hard to keep white sheets clean. I'm not even gonna lie. But other than that, I wanted to go for an all white sheet type of look, and I would never go back into something different. Like, I love my white sheets. It's so simple, it's so easy, and keep it clean and keep it classy. I have this long vertical decorative pillow, and I bought this at TJMAXX. So literally everything, the pillow, the sheets, the covers, I bought everything at TJMAXX. And I just love that stripe, orange burnt type of situation going on. And when I seen it, I was like, I gotta get it. Like, I didn't care how much money it was, I just had to get it. And also, I do want to add some black pillows to add into, you know, my bed set. But that's why I said, like, my room is not completely done. I would say it's probably like 90% done. This throw on piece was also from TJMAXX, and it just upscaled my bed into literally like from 10 to 100. Like, every piece that I have in my room was just meant to be there. So I love the material, I love the color, it was perfect. So now we're gonna move over to my bench. This bench is extremely way too small for the size of the bed that I have now, but it's still cute though. Like, I had to do what I had to do. And plus, my room is very small, so I didn't want to be adding big pieces in my room and then, you know, it didn't really fit. And I bought this piece from Target. It's called Project 62. I don't know if you guys will still be able to find it, but if you guys have it, there's all the information with the bench. And yeah, so I just topped my bench with my designer bag. This bag is so cute, y'all. It's a traveling bag. I was gifted this bag. So this painting was inspired by Aaliyah's face. But before I get into that, as far as me decorating my room, I knew that I wanted to add some type of art painting on my wall. Just didn't know what I wanted. So when I seen this type of textured minimalistic canvas on one of her room tour, I was like, there you go. Like, I gotta get this. I gotta make this for my room, because I would have never thought about doing something like this. And I didn't really do it cute or whatever, but you know, that's the whole point of this project, is to just be yourself, be creative, and whatever comes out, that's just what comes out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really artistic, so this is just what I do, and I actually really like it, but I know it's not the best. Now, as we make our way into my right side of my nightstand, I have this pampas grass, and I bought this grass from a lady. She's a florist, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I was already educated about, you know, pampas grass, how expensive they are. And I was so happy I got the hookup from the lady on OfferUp, and shout out to her. But y'all, pampas flowers are very, very high demand, and it's very expensive. So I have this vase that I had that I bought from Marshall's, and I just sat my pampas flowers on it. You know, nothing special. I also have another Forever Mood candle in the scent Cuffing Season. This was actually one of her first launch, so you know, I had to support my black owned business. As we make our way on this side of the room, I have my vanity that I got built about 3 to 4 years ago, and yeah, that's really it. I don't have much information about that, but you know, that's where I do my makeup, you know, that's where I record, and so on. So this whole entire piece that is on this wall, I had these decor from my old room, and I just transferred them into this room because my heart, my body, my soul, I just could not give it up. I didn't want to throw it away, so I just kept it. You know, the case for Cat. the pineapple. I love my little gold pineapple, and I love my mirror nightstand. Like, I just didn't want to give it up, so I'm like, okay, let me just put it near the door and stuff like that, and I could put my picture of my friends. This is the end of my room tour. Yeah, like I said, my room is not that big, but if you guys enjoy watching this video, thank you guys so much. Again, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are spending it with your family and friends and your loved ones, and be safe out there, okay? Be safe. Don't drink and drive, and be careful, okay?